birthday banners for men. And so this can be for your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, whatever man that's in your life that you want to go ahead and create them a custom banner for. So this particular example is like a football theme, but you can go ahead and tailor this to whatever their favorite team is, whatever their favorite sport is, or whatever their favorite thing is. So we're just going to get right into it. So let me go back and show you guys the sizing. When you get started, you're going to go to your Canva account and you're going to select custom size. And you can get this printed at Walgreens or CVS the same day, so that if you're rushing. So for their width, you're going to do 8. And for your height, you're going to do 2. So you can also do the width as 6. Those are the two main sizes that Walgreens offers for your custom banner design. So you're going to go ahead and hit create new design, and then you're going to get this sizing. So this is the exact sizing that I created here. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I created this design. So you're going to start here with your banner. You're going to have your plain banner right here. And then I'm going to show you guys, so for the background, all you're going to do is, depending on your sport, of course, I went over here to elements and I typed in football field. And then I went over to photos and I selected this one right here. This is called American Football Field 50-yard line. So we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to right click it and hit replace background. And so that's how I created the background. The next thing that you're going to do is add your balloons. So of course, based off of the colors of their particular team, I just went with silver. So you can go over and search their team, and I typed in the team name, and then I'm just going to hit copy image, and this is how I got the logo. And so I just made sure that I matched the team colors. So because this is a gray and green and black, you're just going to go back over to elements and you're going to type in silver balloons or whatever type of theme that you're looking for that can match. Because this is a man, I didn't want to have too much sparkly stuff, so I just simply found a simple silver balloons, and then I just increased the size, and then I'm going to put it on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and do it like that. Then I just hit the plus sign to duplicate it, and we have it like that. And that is pretty simple. The next thing you're going to do is the image of the person. So you're going to go ahead to your uploads, of course, upload a picture of that person. For this example, I just simply typed in the person that I wanted, the type of person that I wanted, and I selected one of the photos. So if you upload a photo that has a background, if you have a Canva Pro account, you can simply hit background remover, bring it in, and then add the person. So that's what I did with this. This was a Canva photo, and this person felt like obviously they fit the profile of someone who would watch football. So I just put that there. And so you can just put the image of the person that is there. And then again, you're going to copy the logo that you get from Google. Let me see, copy image here, go back over and hit paste. And then I got this color, so you want to go ahead and save this color for the background, but then you're going to go ahead and hit background remover. Place that right on top of that, and then of course you're going to reduce the size as you go. Okay, so once you have sizes how you like it, then you're going to go on to the next step, which is adding the text. So you're going to go over here to where it says text, and then you're going to go ahead and type out the first name of the person. And so I selected right here where it's uppercase, and then I went over here to the font. You can obviously go through and choose which one you want, but for the theme, I typed in sports, and I selected right here where it says Sports World, and then that's the one that I chose. So you can again go through. If you want to duplicate this exact design, then you can go ahead and use Sports World. And then you're going to I had the text color white, and then I just simply hit the plus sign and duplicated the first name, and then I created the last name. You go ahead and just type that in, and you select whatever color that you want as well. I like to color match. So what I did was I hit the plus sign, pick a color, and then I got directly from the actual logo. This ensures that we, of course, we're on theme with the colors and things of that nature. So that is what I did there. And then we're going to go ahead and bring this down here. And we're going to have this right here. Let me make sure I have this at 62. Oh, this is a little bit bigger. But what we're going to do here is I did add a little bit of effect so that it pops. And so what you're going to do is select the text, hit effects at the top, and I selected drop. There is other ones that you can use, but I like this one. And then I kept it at black and I increased the transparency. And then I did the same thing for this one. As you can see, drop transparency at 100. And then the next thing we're going to do is create the happy birthday in the middle. So what I want to do is you go to your elements and you're going to go over to where it says shapes. You're going to go to the basic shapes right here and hit the square. And you're going to simply stretch it out into a rectangle. And then you're going to change the color. So this is where having the brand colors of the logo or the team is where it comes into a play. So I'm going to bring the logo back over here so that I can copy. Let's go. So now we're going to go ahead and hit position because now we have everything all over the place. We're going to hit layer, select that box. We're going to hit arrange and we're going to say to front. And then we're going to select the logo and hit to front as well. So we're just simply using this to color match. We're going to select the box and hit the plus sign. You're going to hit this little dropper thing so that we can have it direct. And then now we can go ahead and delete this. Delete the logo. Then we're going to have it in the middle. You can have, of course, adjust the sizing as you go based off of spacing and how big your name is. You'll have to make it smaller or bigger. And then we're going to go ahead and select the shape again. Now you can make the corners round if you want. I'm not going to do that. And then you're going to have a border. We're going to keep the border black. And I believe that I had it like at 2 or 3. You can adjust it to your liking. And then we're going to have it like that. We're going to reduce the border and we're going to hit position backwards so that this is not over it. And then you're going to get your text for your happy birthday. Now, if you want to do like a fancy text, you can do that. You're going to just go back over here to your text, add it again. Let's see. I'm going to type in happy birthday or whatever you want to put in the middle. Happy 30th birthday. So we're going to go ahead and put that. And then you can keep it as this font, or you can go ahead and, like I said, add a cursive font. We don't want it to be too fancy. You can go over here to the handwriting, which is where you find more cursive fonts and go through. Only thing about cursive fonts is it tends to extend out more. So that is why I went ahead and chose the Palm Club, because it's a little bit fancy, but it's still more confined. And then I just selected these text settings right here, and I gave it a little bit more letter spacing so that it can stretch over the box. And so you can adjust that as you like. And then you're just going to simply center it. The last thing I did was I selected effects, went over here to drop, and I gave it a little bit of effect right there like we did with the other text. And then that is it. So we have the last thing that we're going to add in is the footballs. As you can see, the design is almost complete. And we can just do your final adjustments. We're going to go over to elements and you're going to type in football or whatever sport you're choosing. I did a actual photo for a more realistic. And then I believe I chose this one right here that says football. So you just have to search and you'll find it. And then I just, we're gonna go ahead and hit position to front. And then I just simply reduce the size and put it in these areas right here on both sides. And so you can, of course, put it wherever you want. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just duplicate this because I had to rotate it a certain way. Go ahead and bring this in a little bit. So you're just doing your final adjustments now. Of course, you don't want certain things to be in the person's face. You might reduce text, you might move things around. And then this is how you are going to be able to get your custom birthday banner for the man in your life. Or maybe this is a client that you are custom designing for. Yeah, so I hope that you like this video. I appreciate if you guys give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos I should create next. Let me know if you want me to continue these type of videos where I create different banner designs. And if you would like to get a custom banner design done, go ahead and type in custom banner in the comment section below, and I will send you the link to order yours. And have a great day. Bye bye.